Hey everyone, welcome back to Phoenix Digital Portal. Ever considered traveling for top-notch medical care? Today, we're setting our sights on Germany, a European leader in medical tourism. Buckle up as we explore why Germany deserves a spot on your healthcare horizon. Imagine this, combining a European adventure with receiving world-class medical care. That's the magic of medical tourism in Germany. This powerhouse nation boasts a stellar healthcare system renowned for its unmatched quality. German hospitals are equipped with cutting-edge technology and staffed by highly qualified medical professionals. Many doctors and surgeons have trained at prestigious institutions worldwide, ensuring you receive the best possible care. Efficiency and speed. Struggling with long waiting lists back home? Germany beckons with its efficient healthcare system. Appointments are often readily available, and advanced diagnostics can expedite your treatment plan. Focus on patient care. German healthcare prioritizes personalized attention and patient comfort. Expect clear communication, a dedicated medical team, and a focus on your overall well-being throughout your journey. Transparency and regulation. The German healthcare system is highly regulated, ensuring transparency in costs and procedures. You can be confident in the quality of care you receive. Popular medical procedures in Germany. Germany excels in a wide range of medical specialties, making it a one-stop shop for diverse healthcare needs. Cardiology and cardiovascular surgery. German hospitals are at the forefront of cardiac care. From minimally invasive procedures to complex surgeries, they offer advanced solutions for heart disease. Oncology. Germany boasts comprehensive cancer treatment programs. Expect access to cutting-edge diagnostics, radiation therapy with advanced technology, and a range of surgical and medical oncology options. Orthopedics. Joint replacement surgeries, especially for hips and knees, are a popular choice in Germany. The expertise of orthopedic surgeons and the use of advanced techniques like robotic surgery ensure optimal outcomes. Neurology and neurosurgery. German hospitals are leaders in neurological care, offering advanced treatments for complex neurological conditions like epilepsy, Parkinson's disease, and brain tumors. Ophthalmology. Eye surgeries such as LASIK and cataract procedures are performed with high success rates by experienced ophthalmologists in Germany. Wellness and rehabilitation. Beyond advanced medical procedures, Germany offers renowned rehabilitation centers and wellness facilities. Combine your treatment with a focus on holistic well-being. Planning your medical tourism trip to Germany. Intrigued by the possibilities? Here's a roadmap for a successful medical tourism experience in Germany. Research and choose a reputable hospital. Germany has numerous excellent hospitals. Look for facilities accredited by international bodies like JCI and with a proven track record in your required treatment area. Gather medical records. Ensure your medical history and reports are translated into German for clear communication with doctors. Obtain a medical visa. Apply for a medical visa from the German embassy or consulate in your home country. Provide details about your planned treatment and hospital stay. Consider a medical facilitator. Many companies specialize in medical tourism and can assist with navigating the process. They can help with hospital selection, appointment scheduling, visa applications, and even translation services. Logistics and planning. Book flights and comfortable accommodation near your chosen hospital. Factor in recovery time and any post-operative follow-up appointments. Additional considerations. Medical tourism insurance. While German healthcare is generally efficient, consider purchasing medical tourism insurance specifically designed for overseas medical travel. Language barriers. While many medical professionals in Germany speak English, learning some basic German phrases can enhance your experience. Cultural nuances. Germany has a rich culture with specific customs. Be respectful of these by dressing modestly in religious sites and being mindful of punctuality. Have you considered Germany for your medical tourism journey? Do you have any questions about the process or specific procedures? Leave a comment below and let's spark a conversation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest trends and insights in medical tourism. We're here to empower your healthcare journey, one video at a time. Thanks for joining us.